This activity is the first in a series of 3 activities that will demonstrate some simple science concepts about the sun that students will use in the last activity of the module to design and build their solar ovens. In this activity, students will be learning about solar radiation, and they'll do a simple experiment using a black pan and a silvered pan to determine which one absorbs more solar radiation. They'll use this information when designing the colors of their final solar ovens.
For activity number 1, your kit should include the following: 2 pans, 1 can of black spray paint, and 1 of these types of infrared thermometers. Both thermometers are used the same way. Hold the lens about 2 inches away from the surface you want to measure, and hold down the larger button until a reading appears on the screen. If your kit has already been used, then this part of the prep will already have been completed. If not, take your fast-drying spray paint and coat the top surface of the pan. It is okay to continue this activity while the pan is still wet. Also, if you are doing this activity on concrete, make sure to insulate the pans by putting corrugated cardboard between them and the ground. Otherwise, the heat absorbed by the pan will go straight into the ground, and the pans will not show a significant difference in temperature.
In all of the TechXcite modules, it's very important to make sure to connect the science concepts taught in some of the early activities to the engineering design challenges students will be doing later on in the module. In this case, during the activity closure, you might ask a question like, if I want my solar oven to collect as much energy as possible, what color should the inside of it be? A student who's understood the concepts presented in this activity would say the inside should be black or a dark color. You'll find this question and others like it in the activity closure sections of each of the activities in TechXcite.